Today I want to talk about ads that come in the mail. I mean, I just got the Vel pack in today, and there's tons of ads. People spending great money on being able to find somebody who is currently open their mail. They just got the stack of bills. They just got all this stuff. They just separated on the counter. Now they got all these ad messages. Now they're going to quickly go through them, and they're going to find out, the stuff they're looking for. Now, they may have a project going on. I'm not saying this is dead. This isn't dead. Because they may have a project going on right now that is they need rock for, or they need a new heater. They're going to put in an air conditioner. That's great. But what about your local SEO? That's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about what Simply Be Found does. It's different than that. I think you need that. If you're doing that, it's working, great, keep doing it. But when somebody picks up a device like this right here, they have it sitting on the kitchen counter, water's flying all over the place, whatever it might be, and they need that plumber, they say, hey, Alexa, I need a plumber near me. They'll make a phone call right from this device to your business. Now, they might get onto the search, they might be looking for you right now, or they might be on maps now looking for whatever products and services you have to offer. They might be looking for whatever you have to offer. They're ready to buy. They're ready to talk to you. They want to take action on your business. Are you being found when they do this? Are you practicing good SEO? Are you posting out to your Google My Business account? Are you posting on Facebook? Are you accurate on every directory that you need to be? That's going to be mattering to you for when they make that search. Are you generating enough reviews? Are you monitoring the reviews and replying to the reviews? Are you answering questions when they come in on Google? Most businesses have no idea that they're even having them come in. Are you responding to messages when they try to get you a quote and it's messages up on Google My Business? Replying to those. Just so you know, you have to reply to those within 24 hours or you get nailed a lot of points against you and can get your Google My Business account canceled or at least Messenger removed. Are you doing all these things? That sounds like a lot of work, right? Not really. We make it to where you can do all of this, get more reviews, advertise your business, put offers and coupons out there, put questions and answers out there, and be able to generate more business by managing your local SEO in just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Could be you, could be your secretary, could be your assistant, could be whoever doing it for you or yourself. Now, just 5-10 minutes a day or 60 minutes a week, whatever is your choice to be able to do. With that being said, Simply Be Found can make it easy for you to be able to go in. You don't have to be tech savvy. We're built for the non-tech savvy guy. You can go in, get everything you need done, follow an exact to-do list on everything you need to do, check it off, be done. Get your business found without the need of pay-per-click, without the need of pay-per-view, with all these extra fees. It's all included in membership. See what we can do for your business. See how we can work together. See how we can help you. So you are being found by more local customers when they are looking for what you have to offer. I'll see you on the inside. Simply Be Found.